Hi guys, so today we're going to be trying out some of Ardell's new makeup products. I ended up picking up their mascara, the Wispies Fiber Building Mascara. And then I ended up picking up the Ardell Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen from the line. I didn't want to pick up any of the eyeshadows because I have plenty of eyeshadows, so I thought these two products would be kind of interesting to try out. As you can see, I already have all of my makeup on except for my brows and my mascara. So the brow is basically a pen. I've got mine in the color medium brown, so it looks just like this. And then when you pop it off, it has like a felt pen there. It almost looks like the pens that you get from the eyeliner from Kat Von D. It has that like, you know, pen-like thing, but it does have like the bristles in it as well. So hopefully that works really well on the brows. Let me go ahead and get a little closer so we can see how this works. So basically you're supposed to be able to flick things on here. So let's see. And I have some areas of my brow, like right here, that doesn't have very good brows. I guess like that. Alright, now I'm just going to take my little spoolie and see if I can spoolie that out a little bit. There we go. I guess that looks okay. Maybe just like that. I think that looks good. I think it fills in pretty well. Let's try the other eye. Alright, I think that works out pretty good. It looks kind of natural, you know. I guess you can get it more natural, but I like my eyebrows filled in a little bit more. But I think it looks really well. I mean, it doesn't move around. Once you get it in there, it's in there. So hopefully it lasts all day. So we'll have to see how that works. Alright, now I have the mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and take my eyelash curler. Here's what the wand looks like, or the bottle looks like. It's a very thick mascara bottle, pretty hefty. The wand is different. So the wand looks like it curls in a spiral. I can show you. See how it kind of spirals? So that's kind of interesting. So let's go ahead and see how it works here. Let's go ahead and do the first coat. I'm going to go all the way from the base of my eyelashes and pull up and wiggle. Since Ardell makes lashes, I would hope that this is going to be a really nice mascara. This one does say that it has fibers in it, so if you don't like fibrous mascaras, this one may not be for you. It's the first coat. It looks kind of pretty. I can definitely see the fibers on the brush here, so just gonna do a second coat. Alright, so this is what it looks like without mascara and with mascara. I think it does a pretty good job. So let's go ahead and do the other side and let's see what happens. Alright, that is both of them on. I think it does a really good job. I mean, it's not like fantastically, you know, like fake lashes, but I think it does nice. I think it looks really pretty. So let's see what the claims are on the lashes here. Fiber Build Mascara, Mascara Volumizing. How to use it. It says hourglass shape brush allows fibers to attach the lashes and a faux lash look. And that's basically all it says. So the wand almost looks like on the picture like it's the one from Too Faced, the Better Than Sex wand, but in person the wand is a little bit different. So let's go ahead and wear this mascara. Let's see what happens throughout the day, if maybe the fibers come off or, you know, something weird happens. And also let's see what happens to the brows as well throughout the day. So it is exactly 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. So we're gonna call it 9:30 a.m. So we'll see what happens throughout the day. I'll come back at the end of the day and show you what they look like, if they change, or if I have a bunch of fibers all over my face, or, and I already got one, or if the brows kind of disappear throughout the day. But so far, so good. I don't mind it. I don't think it's a bad mascara. And the brow pencil is actually kind of nice. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. It has been 7 hours, maybe about 6.5 hours since we've started this review for the Ardell mascara and the Ardell Stroke a Brow Feather Pen Pencil, or brow pen. The pen is doing really well on the eyebrows. My face is definitely oily. I'm just closing out this video now because I really want to take this foundation off. So I think that this brow pen would work really nicely for a longer period of time. It hasn't budged, it hasn't smudged or anything like that, so I really do recommend this. I didn't tell you what the prices are. I'll have them all listed down below if you guys are interested in this. I did get it at Ulta, so I'll have the link down below so you guys, if you guys want to find out how much it is. And I believe they have like 3 or 4 different, maybe 5 different colors in this brow pen, but I really do like this. I will continue to use this. Now the mascara, again, I'll have the information down below. I think this was like $12. It's okay. I don't mind it. I do feel like my eyelashes look nice with it on. It's super black. But I don't like the fibers in it. The fibers actually did irritate my eyes about 15 minutes into it. I did get some fibers on my face throughout the day, so it does kind of flake a little bit. I'm used to flaking with the Better Than Sex mascara. I do feel like the Better Than Sex mascara does add a little bit more thickness to my eyebrows, or a little bit more thickness to my lashes, so I like that a little bit more. But of course, this is, you know, $12 versus $24, so I mean, or $22, so there's that. This does look nice on the eyelashes, so I think I will continue to use this, but I probably won't repurchase this particular mascara. Now the brow thing I will repurchase once that dries out. So there's my review for both of those. I hope that helped if you guys were interested in buying those, or if you hadn't picked them up and was looking at them. I hope that kind of review gave you a little bit. I think that the mascara looks nice on the eyes, but I just like the brow stuff a little bit better. So that was my review. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll definitely answer all your questions down below, and don't forget to look for the links if you want to find out the prices. That will be down below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know if you have any questions, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye!